Hey, welcome to AI Peak AI. In this video, we're diving into turning your image into a video with Leonardo Motion. Here we go. This is the homepage of Leonardo AI, and there are a couple of ways you can access the Motion tool right from the homepage. One is in the left-hand menu, second item down under AI Tools, and the other, more prominent one, is right next to the Image Creation button, front and center. When we click that button, you'll get a quick how-to animation. Click Got It, and now it's time to pick your source image. What image do you want to animate? If you click this button in the center that says Select an Image, it opens up the Your Uploads tab. If it's something you recently uploaded, you can grab it from here. Click this button if you want to bring in an image from somewhere else, like something you created elsewhere, a stock photo, or a picture you took. I'm going to pick the Your Generations tab and select one of the images I've generated. I think we'll start with this tractor. If it doesn't pop up on the first page, you can scroll through your generated images to find it. You can also search by the prompt you use to generate the image or look for things you upscaled. The one I want is right there, so I'm just going to click Confirm. Now it wants to know what motion strength I want. This ranges from 1 to 10. 5 is in the middle, 10 gives you the most motion, but it also increases the chance of unwanted results. I'll stay at 5 and leave private mode on. If I turn it off, the video will be available in the community feed. I'm keeping it private, just between you and me. We're going to animate this tractor together. Click Generate. It lets us know we'll find the video on the AI Gen page or in our personal feed when it's finished. Let's click View Generation. This brings us to the generation page, where we can see it working. Once it's finished, the motion starts playing right away. Let's open it up in full screen. We got 4 seconds of video. If you want to download it, click the MP4 download button. Let's try another one, this time from our image creation page instead of through the motion tool. I'll work with this image of a kid on a skateboard. Hover over it and the tools appear. Click the little film strip icon that says Generate Motion Video. I'll keep the motion strength at 5 and hit Generate. It came out better than expected. Skateboards and AI video don't usually get along, but this one worked. There's some strange face morphing around his teeth, but we've got hair blowing and fingers balancing, though some of them melt and come back. That's our 4 seconds of motion. Now I'll show you where to find the tool if you're on your personal feed. Click on Personal Feed from the home page. I'm showing this because the buttons are in different places depending on where you start. Unlike the image creation page, where tools pop up when you hover, on Personal Feed you need to click the image, then find the Image to Motion button. Click it, set the motion strength, leave it in private mode and hit Generate. Close the message telling us where it will show up. I picked this image because it's a full body shot with one foot on the ground and the other raised. I'm giving the AI all the clues I can. Now, I'm sure you want to see what happens with the motion dialed up to 10. Let's grab another image. The bottom shows related images, which aren't ones I created, but we'll ignore those. I'll take this image of the woman walking, turn the motion strength to 10, and hit Generate. Right away we see problems. Her face is warping, her feet are melting. It's pretty much a nightmare, so let's move on. Here's the skateboard kid again, this time with motion strength at 10. I'm already seeing issues in the first frame. He's blowing sideways, his face is melting, and everything's falling apart. Let's try something simpler. This image of trees. I'll generate a motion video, leave the motion strength at 5, and hit Generate. It gave us a bit of a drone-like zoom. This isn't a super realistic image anyway, so the odd movements work. I think Leonardo is right to call this image to motion. It really is more about motion than video. Technically, it's video because it's a moving picture, but Leonardo refers to it as motion in most places. It doesn't handle physics or anatomy well. Landscapes sometimes work, like if you have a car sitting on a street, it might do a nice pan around the car, but if it tries to move the car, it doesn't go so well. Kind of like the tractor, where it just glides along. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.